Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Morris, local and long distance movers near me. We provide the right skilled long distance moving services to make your move so much simpler. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, we will assist you. Our moving services give you all the best choices to individualize your particular move for your requirements. Hiring our team gives you access to all the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It might not be easy to reconcile the cost of working with an Illinois moving company. However, after a close look at the main perks of hiring a local moving company, you'll likely see that it's well worth it. Any decent moving company will definitely help you save time on your local move. Minimizing the heavy lifting also provides another advantage you get from using the best local movers. With our skilled movers, you get a very efficient move from beginning to end. 3 Movers understands how to streamline your move, and it doesn't matter how big your move is, we can easily get it done fast. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Morris Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.